Hey there, curious explorers. Now, it's time for a fun challenge. We've zoomed in super close to something that looks like it could be tiny antennas, maybe from a bee, or even a little robot. Or could they be snail eyes? What do you think? Comment below with your guesses. Here's a hint. 3, 2, 1. Let's see. They're actually cactus thorns. That's right. Cacti use these thorns to protect themselves from animals. How cool is that? Let's keep exploring under the microscope to see what else we can discover. Did you know cacti originally come from hot, dry places like deserts? They're like the superheroes of the plant world, built to survive with hardly any water. You can find them in homes all around the world. Cacti have a slow growth rate. Most cacti grow very slowly, which makes them perfect for indoor spaces since they won't outgrow their pots quickly. Just watch out for those spines. They're sharp. Watering tips. One of the coolest things about cacti is how little water they need. During the warmer months, you should water your cactus about once every 2-3 weeks. In the colder months, they go into a sort of rest mode and only need watering once a month or even less. Always make sure the soil is completely dry before watering again to prevent root rot. Cacti are extremely low maintenance and are ideal for people who might forget to water their plants. They store water in their thick, fleshy stems, which helps them survive long periods without watering. If you enjoyed today's adventure, make sure to hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome microscopic mysteries. Click the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching and keep exploring the tiny world around you. See you next time.